Alright. Take these back up. Like I said, I'm putting the original cam sensor back in. Because I know that wasn't the problem way back. But I changed out all the sensors because I wasn't sure which one was which. Your three bolts to hold your power steering pump in place. I'm going to stick the on here in the direction. Put the serpentine belt back on. Over and under. That's your water pump right there. Water pump pulley. Power steering pump. Over that. So now I gotta go down under the pressure pulley here. There you go. And that's over your alternator. Down around your tensioning pulley. And over your crank pulley. Okay, so we're good. Down. Okay, so your serpentine belt goes up over your power steering pump pulley, around your water pump, under your water pump. Under your water pump goes under your AC compressor pulley, back over. That's just a pulley. It doesn't do anything other than part of the tensioning. Comes under your tensioning pulley and back up over your alternator under another tension, not a tension, but just a stationary pulleys. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I might as well. Basically, I'm putting it back together anyway, so let's do that. Get the mount back in here. So I don't know. Then I know I don't have any alignment issues after I start it. Okay, there we go. Okay. And that one there. Okay. Let's get the aerobie back into work here. Go the other direction. So we're now tightening. Now I need the 18 socket for these here. Because the aerobie's got three speeds, and then you got your center one here, which is your forward and rear, and then you've actually got set of LED lights here for nighttime work. 300 foot-pounds, and that's more than enough for most bolts and installing your tires. Here's your 18. Okay, you got a smooth. Get that baby on there right. It's not a good idea to do it without using your fingers. All right, here we go. All right. Reset it. So it's tightening now. Too much on that one. Back up on this one. Okay, I went to the middle. It's probably giving it about half the torque. Okay. Only thing left is to see if it's going to start. What the heck happened there? Okay, good. Nope, down there. Ah! All right. Well, how much battery got left on you? Not much. Let's see if she's going to start. Everything's out of the way. That's plugged in. Subroutine's back on. Let's see what happens. Well, guess what? It's not the pickup. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, man. This is too freaking crazy.